The BenQ LU935ST is a high-performance short-throw laser projector designed to deliver stunning visuals in nearly any environment. Whether it's a professional conference room, a classroom, a simulation setup, or a high-end home theater, this projector provides bright, crisp, and detailed images without the hassle of bulky setups or frequent maintenance. Starting with brightness, the LU935ST outputs an impressive 5,500 lumens. This level of illumination is enough to make content clearly visible in bright rooms or spaces with ambient light. Unlike projectors that require near-total darkness to look their best, this model maintains excellent contrast and vibrant color reproduction even when lights are on, ensuring every detail is sharp and easy to see. The use of a laser light source is one of its major strengths. Laser technology provides consistent brightness and color performance over time and is rated for up to 20,000 hours of use. That eliminates the need for lamp replacements and reduces the long-term maintenance costs that come with traditional projectors. It's energy efficient, reliable, and perfect for professional or personal setups that need continuous operation. Short throw capability is another standout feature. With the LU935ST, a massive 100-inch image can be projected from just a few feet away. This is ideal for small spaces where a standard long-throw projector isn't feasible. It also reduces shadows on the screen and improves overall image clarity, making it suitable for interactive presentations, digital art, or immersive experiences. The projector is also highly flexible when it comes to installation. It supports vertical and horizontal lens shift, zoom, and keystone correction. This means it can adapt to a variety of room layouts and screen positions while maintaining a perfectly aligned image. Whether mounted on a ceiling, placed on a table, or used in a multi-projector setup, it adapts seamlessly to different environments. Image quality is exceptional thanks to BenQ's BlueCore laser technology and DLP system. It delivers WUXGA resolution, 1920 by 1200, which provides additional vertical space over standard 1080p. Colors are accurate, motion handling is smooth, and dynamic contrast ensures that every frame has depth and detail. Text and graphics are sharp, while movies and simulations look immersive and lifelike. Build quality and design are professional grade. The projector is robust, yet compact, with an efficient cooling system that keeps noise levels low. Ports include HDMI, VGA, USB, LAN, and RS-232, making it compatible with a wide range of devices, from laptops and media players to networked control systems. The LU935ST isn't just for professional use. Its versatility makes it suitable for simulation rooms, multi-projector arrays, and even compact home theater setups. The consistency of brightness and color across the screen ensures uniform image quality for any application. Built-in speakers provide basic audio support, though pairing with an external sound system will maximize the cinematic experience. Overall, the BenQ LU935ST combines brightness, precision, and flexibility in a single, reliable package. It's designed for anyone who needs professional-grade projection without the drawbacks of traditional lamps or long-throw requirements. Its laser technology, short-throw lens, and high-resolution output make it ideal for presentations, training rooms, simulation environments, or immersive home entertainment setups. For those seeking a projector that delivers long-term performance, effortless installation, and consistently sharp visuals, the LU935ST is an outstanding option. Its combination of brightness, reliability, and flexibility ensures it stands out in both professional and home environments. Check the link in the description to explore this projector further or make a purchase.